Let's talk about something your snowplow operators know all too well. That moment when a winter storm hits and visibility drops to absolute zero. How do they stay on the road? Well, we're about to show you the technology that becomes their virtual lane line, their guiding star right through the heart of the storm. This is the ARCTURUS Snowplow guidance system. I want you to just picture this for a second. It's 2 a.m., it's a blizzard. The snow is coming down so hard that the headlights are just bouncing off a solid wall of white. Now, this isn't just some hypothetical scenario, right? This is the reality for Minnesota's operators. They are, quite literally, driving blind. So that brings us to the big question. How does MnDOT protect its most valuable assets when conditions get this bad? And we're not just talking about the plows themselves. We're talking about your people, your multi-million-dollar equipment, and of course, every single person on the road who depends on you. To really get a handle on the stakes here, we need to step inside the cab. Let's take a look at the whiteout challenge from the operator's point of view. And you don't have to take my word for it. Listen to one of your own, Chase Fester. He points out something crucial. It's not just the snow falling from the sky. The very act of plowing creates its own personal blizzard, throwing a constant wave of snow right back onto the windshield. So visibility isn't just low, the job itself is actively trying to eliminate it. So when the fog line is gone, the center line's gone, the shoulder's gone, what's left? All an operator has is their memory of the road and their gut feeling. And that's not just stressful, it's incredibly dangerous. It leads straight to plows drifting out of their lane, hitting things they can't see, and just immense mental fatigue over a 12-hour shift. But what if they didn't have to rely on instinct? What if they had a guide to cut through all that darkness and chaos? You know, for thousands of years, sailors and travelers looked to the stars to find their way. Well, now there's a new guiding star for your operators, ARCTURUS. And look, this isn't some brand new gadget that just came out of nowhere. ARCTURUS is the result of over 20 years of dedicated hardcore research and development right from the University of Minnesota. It was built and tested right here specifically for Minnesota's one-of-a-kind winners. So what is it exactly? To put it simply, ARCTURUS is a driver assist system. It gives the operator the two most critical things a whiteout steals: a perfect sense of where their lane is and an early warning about any obstacles hiding up ahead. It basically lets them see the road even when their eyes can't. Now that sounds pretty incredible, but how does it actually work? Let's break down how ARCTURUS sees through the storm, and we'll keep it simple, no crazy technical jargon. It all boils down to a really straightforward three-step process. First, it uses a super accurate GPS that knows exactly where the lane is, down to the centimeter. Second, a radar on the front is constantly scanning ahead for any hazards. And third, the system takes all that info and gives it to the driver through really simple, clear alerts. And you can see those last two steps right here. On the left, that's the radar doing its thing, picking up on hazards like a stalled car or a guardrail way before a driver ever could. And on the right, that's the display inside the cab. Notice it's not a complicated map. It's a simple, intuitive guide that uses clear visual and audio cues to keep the operator on track. Okay, the technology is cool, no doubt. But what really matters are the results, right? So let's look at how ARCTURUS has proven itself where it counts, out on the road in the middle of a real Minnesota storm. This system is already being used. We're talking over 300 miles of road mapped across all 8 MnDOT districts. And the feedback? It's been incredible. Operators and supervisors actually rated it very useful in low visibility. But here's the real proof. They're not just using it, they are actively asking for more routes to be mapped. That tells you everything. But beyond the data, there are stories, real stories. Back in February 2016, during a nasty snowstorm, a state trooper and a bunch of motorists got stranded. It was a complete whiteout. A MnDOT plow equipped with ARCTURUS was able to navigate through it, reach the trooper, and rescue over a dozen people. This isn't just about clearing roads anymore. This is about saving lives. So what does this all boil down to for MnDOT? Let's connect these features directly to the benefits for you. Think of this as your return on safety. So, you have the problem of plows drifting out of their lane in a whiteout. The ARCTURUS solution is its precision GPS. It creates a perfect virtual lane line, keeping that massive plow exactly where it needs to be, even when the real lines are buried deep under the snow. What about the problem of dangerous and expensive collisions with things you just can't see? Well, the ARCTURUS solution is that forward radar. It's like a second set of eyes, spotting hazards and instantly calculating how much time the operator has to react. It turns a potential disaster into a close call you can actually avoid.
And let's not forget the human element. The problem here is the massive amount of stress and fatigue your operators deal with when driving blind. The ARCTURUS solution is a system of clear, simple alerts that takes a huge weight off their shoulders. It reduces that mental load and empowers them to do their job safely and effectively all shift long.
And finally, let's talk about the bottom line. The problem? Damaging expensive equipment, which means costly repairs and, even worse, taking a critical plow off the road right when you need it most. The ARCTURUS solution is simple. By preventing accidents in the first place, it keeps your fleet on the road and keeps those maintenance costs down.
So we've seen that ARCTURUS has been thoroughly researched, developed, and proven right here in Minnesota. So what's next? Where do we go from here?
The most important thing to know is that this system is ready. It's officially moving out of the research phase and into full-scale production deployment. It's a mature, reliable, life-saving technology that's ready to be rolled out across the entire state to protect every single operator.
So I'll just leave you with this one last question. We all know the next big blizzard isn't a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And when that storm hits and the world outside the cab turns completely white, will your operators be out